Hello, welcome to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. Today, we are going to talk about 7 car maintenance tips every driver should know. Let's dive in. First, check your oil regularly. Engine oil lubricates moving parts and prevents overheating. It's best to inspect oil levels monthly and change it every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Neglecting this can lead to severe engine damage. Next, keep your tires in shape. Regularly check tire pressure and tread depth. Underinflated tires can lower fuel efficiency and impact handling. Don't forget to rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles for even wear. Don't ignore your brakes. They are vital for vehicle safety. Watch for unusual sounds or changes in performance. If you notice any issues, get your brakes inspected immediately. Regular maintenance will ensure your safety on the road. Also, replace your air filters. Clean filters enhance engine performance and cabin air quality. Check and replace these filters every 15,000 to 30,000 miles to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Inspect your battery regularly. Look for corrosion or loose connections. Most batteries last 3 to 5 years, so consider replacing old batteries to avoid breakdowns. Keeping your car clean is also important. Regular washing prevents rust and corrosion. A clean vehicle enhances your driving experience and maintains resale value. Lastly, stay on top of your scheduled maintenance. Consult your owner's manual for inspections and fluid changes. Proactive maintenance helps catch problems early, ensuring a safer driving experience. Remember, a well-maintained car is vital for safety and reliability. Stay informed and take care of your vehicle. Thank you for watching. If you liked the content, kindly subscribe and hit that like button.